My wife and myself had quite a bit of problems with the asphalt shingles, but after 24 years and a 30-year warranty, then we had a problem with it leaking in 4 different places. And one of those places was in my dining room. It's on the first floor in a 2-story house. Damaged the ceiling, so we had to have part of the ceiling replaced in one of the sites. And then we decided just not to put up with it anymore. We contacted the dealer. They wouldn't do anything about it other than give me some shingles. So I wasn't going to add, more shingles to already difficult roof. So my wife, her father, several years ago had Interlock put an aluminum roof on his house. And since it's been there probably about 20 years. And it's just a great roof, doesn't leak, doesn't make noises. And had the roof put on in May, and the roof came out beautiful. And I had some fears about how it was going to look on my house and whether or not the lines were going to be straight. And it gave a good appearance, and certainly it did. It gave a beautiful appearance, one of which I've had many people stop by my house, or I've talked with them around town, and they've all been interested in knowing more about it. Very appreciative, very happy that I've got exactly what I wanted. And anytime that somebody wants to know, as I said, I'd tell them. But I'm very happy that I found a great company to work for me, and that they did a splendid project on my house.